Hey everyone, it's Keto Granny. So I went to the store and I had a quick grocery haul. That usually happens every time I make a video, okay? Somebody messages me or calls. So I'm gonna start off with my eggs. People have been asking questions, do you have to use organic, grass-fed, pasture-raised, or cage-free products only on the ketogenic diet in order to get results? And the answer is no. It's preferable if you do, because you're going to get a lot less pesticides if you buy organic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got on my grocery haul, because otherwise my phone is just going to keep on ringing, okay? So I'm going to start with my eggs. And these aren't cage-free, and they're not free range. These are just regular eggs today. And I bought 2 dozen of those because I do a lot of cooking with eggs, and I usually run out of those. And I like to have deviled eggs. I boiled me some in the kitchen. As soon as I finish with this video, I am going to make me some keto deviled eggs and put in the refrigerator. Here's my almond milk. And I love this milk. It's made out of almonds, and as you can see, it's only 30 calories a cup. Which is very, very good. Now, this is some coconut water that I tried for my husband, and he uses this for his IBS. And this really works well. I had went and was going to buy coconut water, which I went and bought everything to make this, but I saw it in the can. So he's using this, and then I'm thinking about adding a little bit of extra ingredients to this, you know, to make it just a little bit stronger. But he likes this. So this is some coconut water that has ginger, lime, and turmeric in it. It may be something good to try. But it has 15 grams of carbs, or 14 grams of sugar. I know that coconut does have more sugars in it. And I just bought a small can of sliced olives. I wanted to use these in my salads and start using olives a little bit more. Let me bring this up here so I don't have to keep bending down. I have my heavy whipping cream. And so I do a lot of cooking with heavy whipping cream. I'm going to make some cauliflower, mashed cauliflower, and also some cauliflower mac and cheese. And so I use this a lot. And then I have a taste for some mason jar ice cream. So I may end up with something like that this week in my refrigerator, just to have it around for when I do get that urge. And here are my strawberries that I got. Now, normally I try to get organic strawberries because I know that they tend to have a lot of pesticides. But I'll just wash these really well and use these strawberries. So they're good also. I got my little bit minced garlic. I cook with a lot of garlic. I use it to season my vegetables a lot, especially my spinach. And of course, this one here is Mr. Stubbs. Now, Mr. Stubbs has just a little bit more, I don't want to say carbs than GHUs. So Stubbs has just a little bit more carbs than GHUs. I believe this says it has 7 carbohydrates, and 4 of those are sugars. Shake before you pour, and that's for 2 tablespoons. So, but I'm going to try it since I bought it. I bought the wrong one. I didn't even notice. They look alike, but the GHUs is in a smaller jar. I do know that. Okay, also, I got some butter, and the butter I have this time is some Dairy Gold. I did make sure that it's salted. I still have some Kerrygold butter in my refrigerator in little serving packets, and I use that for my coffee and add it to different little things that I'm cooking. I have my cucumber, and what I've been doing here lately is I've been putting cucumber, adding it to my green smoothie, And it's an excellent ingredient. It's an excellent ingredient to have in your smoothies. Cucumber. Have my lemons. So I have a couple of these. I'm going to set these over here. And I started drinking a little bit more of the lemon water with the apple cider vinegar through the day. I've been getting a little achy, and so that helps. It really alleviates that. I have my broccoli florets. And I use this to make broccoli and cheese, or either just use it as a snack and have the broccoli florets and just dip them in ranch dip or whatever dip I have, dip of choice. I have me some asparagus. Now, I'm disappointed in this asparagus because it isn't the fat ones. These are more slender, but I wanted some asparagus, so I picked out the best that they had at the store and got me some. No, I don't usually use these, the country gravy mix, but I wanted to try these. I heard someone say that they use these sometime, occasionally, to make their gravy. So I'm gonna try. But I was looking at this. This has wheat flour in it, palm oil, and maltodextrin. But it even has dextrose. But anyway, I may use it. I'll use it for my husband, I know, because he wants some gravy, a little bit more gravy. So this I'm going to use just to satisfy his craving for gravy. I have my ground beef. Now this is the lean, 73% lean and 27% fat. This is what I like to get, and this is not organic or what do you want to say, grass-fed, but it works well. And when I can't afford the grass-fed, or they didn't have the grass-fed in the store today, else I would have got that. But I did go ahead and get this, and it was I can make my meatloaves, I make my tacos, I make my burritos, I make my hamburgers, everything. I make a lot of things out of the ground beef. Actually, I got it to make some chili, so I bought me some pork sausage. This sausage, I will put this in with my chili and add some rotel and some peppers and different things and simmer. And I will have me some good old keto chili, and I'll make me some keto cornbread with that. And that's what's going to be my meal prep for this week. The weather's changing, and I like to have something warm to eat when I come in sometimes, or just around the house. Okay, I think that just about does it for my grocery haul tonight. I did have salad, but I've already started eating that. And what I like to do is just try to buy a bag of salad, and I like to try to average eating at least a bag or close to a bag a day, and then I have to go get a bag the next day, and I'll have what I have left from that first bag, and then add some from the new bag. So you want to make sure that you're eating enough vegetables on the ketogenic diet. Anyway, that's my grocery haul. I hope that by doing these grocery hauls, I hope that you're understanding the different type of foods that you can eat on the ketogenic diet, and why it's important, to eat those type of foods. So this is Keto Granny. Have a good evening, and I'll see you next time. If my videos are helping you in any way, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.